Hi guys, today we will learn about how to use green screen in CapCut PC. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project where you want to use green screen. For using green screen, there are two ways. The first one is you can use green screen using CapCut, and the next way is you can download another green screen using websites. But first we will learn how can we use green screen using CapCut. So if you want to use, then tap on this option Import, and then click on Stock Material. The next thing is tap on the search bar and search for green screen. Below you can see all the available green screens if I scroll down. There are many green screens which are available. From here I will use this, so I am tapping on it, and will paste it on the timeline. Now let's play the video. Now time to remove the green screen, tap on your video and then click on this. Remove background. And then we will use chroma key. So tap on chroma key and click on this pencil and tap on it. Now, you can see the background of the video has been removed. Now you can use this video. Now time to use green screens of website. So let's open your computer browser and in the search bar search for Pixabay. Here is the desired website. Tap on it and first tap on this all image and select videos. And now write green screen videos. Scroll down, and here are the videos which are available. Just for showing you, I will use this. So if you want to download, then tap on it. And here you can find the option download. Click on it. Choose your resolution. Just for example, I'll choose this one and tap on the option download. Now close it, and you can see the video has been downloaded. Now time to import it in CapCut. And here is the video which I download from the Pixabay. Now time to remove the green screen. Tap on your video and tap on this. Remove background. And then click on chroma key. And the last thing is tap on this pencil. And you can see the green screen has been removed. You can also adjust the intensity of green screen by yourself by swiping this line to the right side and on the left side. And it was the basic way by which you can use green screen in CapCut PC.